The Sony Xperia XZ2 is one of the Japanese tech giant's upcoming flagship phones, and a new report suggests it could be missing one big feature. Sony are expected to be unveiling a new range of Xperia XZ phones at the upcoming Mobile World Congress, MWC, 2018 in February. The Japanese tech giant already unveiled 3 new phones this year at CES 2018, the Xperia XA2, Xperia XA2 Ultra and Xperia L2. The new range of smartphones boasts thinner bezels on the side, but retain the chunky bezels at the top and bottom that Xperia phones are known for. But this could all change with Sony's next range of smartphones, which are rumored to radically shake up the design. Leaked pictures allegedly of the Xperia XZ2 and the Xperia XZ1 Premium have emerged recently, and the images show the phones with a huge screen similar to the Samsung Galaxy S8's Infinity display. However, to accommodate this bigger display and thinner design, Sony may be doing away with one much-loved port. Documents submitted to the Federal Communications Commission, FCC, the U.S. telecoms regulator, show an upcoming Sony smartphone. The phone is only known as IDPY721A31A, and Xperia blog believes the device could be one of Sony's soon-to-be-revealed flagships. However, the schematics show the phone will drop the 3.5mm headphone port. Instead, the Sony phone will sport a single port that will be used for charging and for USB-C headphones. Whether this schematic is of the Xperia XZ2, Xperia XZ1 Premium or another phone is unclear. But what is clear is that this phone would mark the first time that Sony have scrapped the 3.5mm headphone jack, a move Apple first took with the iPhone 7. The FCC listing also reveals that the upcoming Sony phone will have a 5.7-inch screen and the handset's overall dimensions are 152.79 by 72.42mm. If it's the successor to the Xperia XZ Premium, it would mean it's a smaller phone but with a larger screen.